Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Lever. As in my previous videos of Lever, I've been showing you that it broke out a quite long-term down channel, and after that, it was dropped at the support of a very big falling wedge pattern. And this was one of those videos when it was testing the support of the wedge, and it was quite squeezed inside that wedge. And in those days, I shared several videos with you, and I've been telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon Lever may gear up from the support of the wedge, and it may break out the resistance of this wedge. Let me to show you what I told you in my previous videos. Once the price end will be able to break out this resistance, then I'm expecting that it can start a very massive rally to the upside. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after testing the support of the wedge here, the price end has geared up and broke out the resistance of this wedge. And so far, from this low to here, you can see that lever has rallied almost 440%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $0.0045. You can see that for the past few weeks, it had been getting rejected by the resistance here, and previously it had been breaking as a resistance here as well, and now it is moving above this long-term support of $0.00318. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now for the past few weeks, it is breaking as a support. And on a daily time frame chart, we will also take a look at this descending triangle as well that is formed recently, and you can see that we have found another horizontal support here, approximately at $0.00339. That is the support of this triangle and this resistance of the triangle as well. And we will also take a look at my most recent trade signal for lever that I shared a few days ago, almost 4 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 12% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for lever that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal gardlet pattern that lever formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. You can see I shared this idea on 20th of May 2024. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And so far it has pumped almost 12%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of lever, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this descending triangle that it has recently formed, where you found the resistance here on 27th of April 2024 and support here, by the way, on 3rd of May 2024. And now the movement is quite squeezed inside this triangle. Therefore, at any time, it can break this triangle. In case of breaking down, the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at 2.67 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance, it can also break out the next long-term resistance of $0.0045 as well, because the target is here at $0.004826. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this big and long-term down channel and a falling wedge pattern as well. And during this rally, the price end has also broken out this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud that is now working as a support. And you can see that cloud is now also flipped into a bullish cloud, and it can also lift the price end more up. And now if the price end breaks out the next resistance, then it can also hit the target for these two previous breakouts. And the targets for these two previous breakouts are here at the top of the bed and top of this previous channel. That can be between $5.0055 to $0.006. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.